What is up, everyone? Welcome to another daily trading hub video. In this video, I'm just going to be talking about CADJPY. And what am I looking out for on CADJPY? I'm looking out for a buying opportunity on CADJPY. I'm looking out for a buying opportunity for CADJPY to the upside. So let's just break down the analysis and let's go. So this is the monthly time frame on CADJPY. On the monthly time frame, I have my lower zone, I have my mid-range zone, and I have my upper zone. All the way up here. So on CADJPY, price is in an uptrend. What is the uptrend? We can see that price made a higher high, is coming down for a higher low, and then price is looking to put in another higher high if possible again. So I'm looking for buying opportunity on CADJPY, nothing but a buying opportunity on CADJPY. So again, we can see on a monthly time frame here that price has held this support a couple of times. This is one, and then it has held the support again, and every time price hold that support, the next possible level is to go to the monthly resistance level around 110 level. So that is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be taking advantage of where price is currently right now here, and then buy all the way up to this monthly resistance level, and if possible it breaks and continues its uptrend. So let's just go down to our weekly time frame and then see what price is doing on a weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, we have our weekly mid-range zone around this level. So you can see that price continues to hold this support, here on a weekly mid-range zone around this level. Price continues to hold this support on a weekly mid-range zone on CADJPY. So initially there was a little bit of a pullback, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. Then price has managed to claim back the weekly support, has come down for a retest on a double bottom, and then price wants to continue to the upside again. So like I said, I'm looking for a buying opportunity on CADJPY, and we can see here from this candle that happened last week, from this candle that happened last week, we can see that buyers are also not giving up. They are showing a lot of momentum, and I believe price wants to go all the way to the upside. So I'm going to be taking advantage of it and be looking for my buying opportunities on CADJPY. So let's just scale down to our daily time frame. On our daily time frame, price is in an uptrend, a strong uptrend on CADJPY. You can kindly see it, a series of higher highs, higher lows, and then price held support, the weekly support as usual, like I mentioned, and then price wants to go all the way to this monthly support around 110.3 and eventually continue to go higher. So I'm just going to be looking for buying opportunities on CADJPY. Another thing we can see here is price has made a higher high. It's currently coming down for a higher low, and then it wants to break out. We can also see here that price has broken this. This was initially a resistance level, and then price has broken out of it. This was initially resistance, then price was resisting, and then it broke out. We're looking for that higher low, and then price continues to go all the way up here. So you can kindly see that on a daily time frame, price wants to close above this to turn the resistance into support, to turn this resistance into key support zone for price to continue to buy all the way to the upside on CADJPY. So let's just scale down to our daily time frame again. On our daily time frame, on our 4-hour time frame, on our 4-hour time frame, we can see it clearly here that price has broke up eventually, and then had a pullback, a major pullback, and then we have this price coming in again, and then price wants to continue to buy all the way to the upside. Another thing we can also see here is our inverse head and shoulder, signifying that this is the bottom of the pullback. You can see this inverse head and shoulder here. Price is coming down for that retest of the neckline, and then price continues to go all the way. So what we are seeing currently here on this current price action, to me, is a retest of this inverse head and shoulder, and then price wants to retest it. It's coming back to retest, and then we continue to have our buying opportunity. So on a 4-hour time frame is also very, very good. Another thing I'm also seeing is this trend line that has been broken on the 4-hour time frame. You can see this trend line here, or even if we extend it here, this trend line here was a strong trend line that was holding price down, or was holding price back. You can see was holding price back. So price had a strong breakout, had a deep pullback, and then we are getting this move all the way here. If we draw our Fibonacci to see where possibly price is going to be holding, we're going to be seeing price holding somewhere around this zone. Anywhere along this zone should be our higher low, and then we should get price tapping into this zone. We get a confirmation on candlestick confirmation, which is bullish engulfing pin, bullish pin bar, or a morning star anywhere in this zone, and then we'll be looking for that higher low, and then price continues to rally all the way to the upside. So I'm looking for buying opportunity on USD CAD. I'll be taking it all the way down to the 2-hour time frame to find that buying opportunity. So you can clearly see that trend line has been broken. That trend line has been broken, came down for a retest. Now we have our higher high. We want to eventually put on our higher low, and then price continues to rally all the way to the upside. So anywhere around this zone, anywhere around this level, it's a good place for price to continue to go all the way for you, for CADJPY. So if you want to take this trade with me, you can join our free Telegram. The link is in our bio. When it's ready, I'm going to be sharing the updates in the free Telegram. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of this analysis. Till the next one, peace. I'm out.